The wrap feature is used for wrapping a sketch onto a planar or non-planar face. It's similar to the projected curve and projection split line curve. But a wrap also allows you to add or remove material with your sketch. In addition, you'll see slightly different results with the wrap feature since it wraps the sketch onto the face rather than projecting it onto the face, which can occasionally cause some distortion. You can find the wrap feature on the Features toolbar. Here I have a sketch that I created with the Sketched Text tool, and I'd like to wrap it onto the cylindrical face. I'll use the feature tree to make sure I select the whole sketch, and I'm taken to the Wrap Property Manager. Here I have three options for the wrap parameter. Emboss will add material and create an extrusion. I'll select the cylindrical face for the wrap face. Set a thickness, and I can also change the direction of the extrusion by adding a pull direction, but I'll click the green check, and you can see the emboss feature. I'll go back and edit the wrap feature, and I can change the parameter to deboss instead. This gives me the same options as emboss, but instead removed material. I'll click the green check, and you can see the deboss feature. I'll edit the wrap one more time, and this time I'll use the scribe option. The scribe neither adds nor removes material. The only additional setting here is reverse direction. As I mentioned earlier, the wrap feature gives you slightly different results from the projected sketches. To illustrate this, I'll create a projection split line using the same sketch. And you can see how the two methods vary.